Hey everybody, this is Ricky Rebel, and I'm going to teach you how I do guy liner. Alright, first step is very first step, you got to curl your lashes, okay? So just take this and curl those babies right at the brim, right where the lashes start. You want those lashes to pop. Even before you start messing around with anything on the lid, you want those babies to curl up a little bit. Yeah, this is a MAC. This is my favorite one ever. It's a MAC eyelash curler. It's really good. It's black. It really works. Second step, MAC Prep and Prime. Whoa, put a little bit on your hand. You gotta prep and prime that eyeball. Okay, so put it on your hand. Just kind of dab right here. You get sweaty. You want to take your brush. I'm using a Must-Have brush, blending shadow brush by Must-Have. Really good one. And what you want to do is, I'm just going to take, for my eyes, purple works really well. So I'm going to do a really light purple. This is called Eyeshadow X9 by MAC. Really good. I love all the colors on this. So I just took this like really light purple down here. I'm gonna put it right at the very top corner of the eye, just like that on both sides. That's the most important part of your eye. That's what makes it really pop out. So you want to get way up in there. Yeah, and then what you want to do is circle it, just like this. Circle it up and then circle it down. Cool. Great, let's do the other side. Get right in the crease. This part of the eyeball, you want it to be, this part has to be the darkest, right in that crease. And then a little bit up in here. Everything else is a little bit lighter. So I've laid that on pretty thick. I didn't mean for it to be that thick, but it's thick. After that's done, we're gonna take the Graph Black Technical Liner by MAC. We're just gonna put it right here on the lid, right where the eyelash is. I'm going to be as soft and gentle as possible. Because trust me, this stuff gets crazy dark. So with anything, you just got to have a light touch with this guy. Good. Then what you're gonna do is, I'm crying a little bit. You're gonna grab another brush. I'm using the MAC brush here, shadow, and I'm just gonna go across it and kind of blur it out, blend it out, back and forth, back and forth. Cool. Looks like this eye is a little bit darker, so I'm gonna put a little bit more right here. And give it some more Yum yum. Just another swipe across again. Get a little more yum yum sauce for this eyeball. Here we go. Boop. And then what I think we should do is give it a little bit extra yum yum, darkness happening just at the top. Very light. You gotta be super light with this. Do really dark purple on this palette right here. Gotta be light, which I don't have that light touch. Gotta be light. Right up in there. Boom. Have that like a bro touch. The Japanese women that I've worked with in makeup artists, they're so light to touch, and I'm not. That's alright. This is the way I do it, okay? That's the way they do it, and this is the way I do it, alright? Then what we're gonna do is, we get the MAC Extended Play Giga Black Lash Mascara, and just go like this. Get it dark, especially right around there, the edge. It always goes from light, from the inside, to dark. Okay. Boom. And there you go. We have the Glam Rock eyes. Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching my channel, Ricky Rebel TV. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you want to become a Patreon member, you can go to patreon.com/RickyRebelRocks to help get into my world more, and I would love that. Thank you for watching. Mwah.